In my hand, I have over $1 million. How's that possible, Chris? Well, the average return in the stock market historically is 9.5%. And if you did not buy a coffee from Starbucks every day for 40 years, and if that coffee was $3, which is expensive, you would save over $1 million. I've always wanted to do this. Is that dope? That's my kids say. Sorry. So the reason I have a lot of these cups is because Starbucks used to sell these things for $1 each. And my son Matthew and I, we bought a ton of them. And then what we did was we would sell them in bulk over eBay for $2 each. And I was explaining to him the concept of arbitrage. And so what I'll do tomorrow is I'm going to talk to you about making money on the side, meaning side hustle, okay, and arbitrage and using Alibaba, meaning AliExpress.com. But today I want to talk about saving money. And I always do everything in one take, okay? And I'm going to teach you a couple of ways to analyze how much money you can save by making really, really small daily changes to your spending habits. By the way, this is all fake money, okay? All right, so if you were to save $9.98 every day for 35 years, then you would have $1 million in 35 years. Okay, and that assumes you use an interest rate of 9.5%. Now, I'm gonna provide you with this spreadsheet here. My kids are home, or Dylan's home. Hey Dylan, how are you, bud? That's Dylan, he's home from camp. I'm gonna provide you with a spreadsheet, and you can enter in your own estimated interest rate, longer term, as well as the time and what you want to save money on, meaning what do you want to cut out of your daily life. So if you make coffee at home every day, you could have $1 million. All right, what's next? Well, I spent so much money on rent. I used to live in New York City and it was ridiculous. As a young person there, we spent all our money partying and on rent. It was moronic. Now, if you bought a place and you spent $600 every month on your mortgage instead of $600 on rent, then guess how much money you would save in 50 years. 50 years at $600 a month at an interest rate of 9.5%. How much would you save? Higher? Guess again. Higher? It's actually $8.5 million. So you could save a fortune just by making little changes in your life. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is tomorrow, we're going to talk about arbitrage, okay? And this, my kids and I actually did really well with this, made some decent money. And I also want to talk about other ways to make money, like mining, right? And so I'm actually going to explain to you the whole process from scratch of Bitcoin mining. Doesn't that look awesome? That's cool, eh? Yeah, so anyway, I'll see you mañana. Oh, let me show you one quick thing here, keeping it real. I have internet up here for my miner, and I didn't want Christine to see that I put a wire up through the basement, right, for the Ethernet cable. So it looks really ridiculous, but I took a picture. Yeah. Sorry about that. I usually do everything in one take, but the lighting didn't work out that well. So I took a picture of the floor and I snuck this Ethernet cable in. Obviously, I got the coloring wrong there, keeping it real here. Somebody else asked me, how do I record this stuff? And so I wanted to show you my equipment. So this here is a mirrorless camera. And that basically means that you can have a smaller lens that does the same thing as a big lens. It's pretty cool. And I bought this because somebody had mentioned that it was a little bit too noisy outdoors with the wind, so this kind of stops it. My son said it looks like a pet. Anyway, so that's my setup. Please click like if you like. And please subscribe. I gotta look there, that's right, not my eyes. And I'll see you mañana. Thank you.